Hi students, welcome to science class. Today we are going to be learning about the watermelon life cycle. So this is going to be a really fun and delicious unit because Ms. Schultz loves watermelon, and it's around that time of year where watermelons usually start to bloom. So we're going to be reading about the watermelon life cycle for today. The life of a watermelon plant begins with a seed. These seeds are usually flat and dark brown. They are shaped like an oval, so kind of like a slimmer circle. When planted in soil and watered regularly, they will begin to grow. The seed will grow into a sprout. So a sprout is a little bigger than a seed, but it's around like the same size, but it's bigger. And it's usually the same shape. Or little plants. So a sprout is like a little leaf coming from the ground. Soon, runners will begin to grow along the ground and leaves will grow on the vines. The next stage in this cycle is the flower. The plant will grow 5-petaled yellow flowers. They open and close with the sunlight. The 5th stage in the cycle is the baby watermelon. The flower will eventually fall off when the baby melon begins to grow. The melon is green with dark green stripes. Eventually, a bigger adult watermelon will grow, which is the last stage. So how many stages are there usually? About 6 stages. It will have seeds formed on the inside. It can be picked when the stem it's attached to it. It can be picked when the stem it's attached to is dry and brittle. Now the watermelon can be eaten. Yummy. I love watermelon. If you guys have not tried watermelon, you guys should this summer. But what other plant did this guys remind you of? Remember, we talked about this kind of plant back in October, November. It's very similar to the life cycle of the pumpkin, if you guys remember, because it started out as a seed and then it turned out into a sprout, which is like, like a small leaf growing from the ground, and then a vine, and then a flower, and then a small pumpkin, and then a big pumpkin. So it's kind of similar to the watermelon. And I hope you guys are excited about learning as watermelons as much as I am. And I'll catch you guys next time in science. Bye.